Hi, this is Ram from ramkedem.com. In this lesson, we are going to learn the concept of outer join and the difference between outer join and what we have learned up until this point. Let's start this lesson by selecting several columns from customers. So let's type select customer ID, last name, first name, monthly discount, and pack ID from customers. For now, just note that the customers table consists of 1223 rows. Let's type this number above the query. Now, let's type another query. This time, we will join the customers and packages table. So, let's type select from on customers cast join packages pack on cast dot pack ID equals to pack dot pack ID, and let's say we want to display the customer ID, the customer last name, the customer pack ID, and the package speed. Let's execute. Note that the join statement returned only 1045 rows, while the customers table, as we saw, consists of 1223 rows. Why are we missing customers when we are joining customers and packages? To answer this question, let's execute the previous query again. Note that there are customers with pack ID that equals null. When we are specifying at the join statement on customers.packid equals to packages.packid, the SQL engine returns only rows with matching values, meaning only customers with existing internet package. So, for example, customer number 3 has the package ID 7, and package ID 7 has the following details. Customer number 7 has the package ID 1, and the package ID 1 has the following details. On the other hand, customer number 1 has no package. In other words, his package ID is null. And since we cannot match anything with null, the join statement will not return this customer. The type of join we have used up until this point is considered as an inner join. The inner join returns only rows with matching values on both tables. In our case, customers with existing packages. If we want to list all customers, including those without any package, we can use the outer join. The SQL syntax provides us three different types of outer joins: left, right, and full. We will understand how to use each of these joins in the next following examples. So let's start with the left outer join. Let's copy the previous query. And now, instead of saying join, let's say left outer join. Let's execute again. And this time, as you can see, we are getting all customers, including customers without any package. What is the exact meaning of left outer join statement? Consider this table as the right side of the join statement and this table as the left side of the join statement. When we are saying left outer join, we are asking to display all rows from the left side table, including those without any match on the right side table. In other words, in our example, all customers, including those without any package. Now, the right outer join returns the opposite results. Let's copy the previous query. And this time, let's change the left keyword with the right keyword. And let's execute again. This time, we are getting all packages, including packages with no assigned customer. Again, this is the right side of the join statement, and this is the left side of the join statement. In this query, we are asking to retrieve all of the rows from the right side table, including those without any match on the left side table. In other words, we want to display all packages, including those without any assigned customers. Full outer join. You can consider the full outer join as a combination of the right and left outer join. Again, let's copy the last query. Only this time, let's specify the full keyword instead of the right. Let's execute. This time, we are getting both all customers, including those without any package, and also all packages, including those without any assigned customer. This is how the full outer join works. To make this concept more clear, let's sum up and visualize the following customers table and the following internet packages table. An inner join between these two tables would yield 3 rows, only customers with existing internet package. A left outer join would yield 4 rows, all customers, including those without any package. A right outer join would also yield 4 rows, all packages, including those without any customer. A full outer join would yield 5 rows, all customers, including those without any package, and all packages, including those without any customer. As you can see, no matter what join type we are using, the results of the inner join will always be retrieved. The only question is, what are we choosing to add to these results? All customers, including those without any package, all packages, including those without any assigned customers, or both. Okay, so in this lesson, we learned the concept of outer join. In the next video, we will learn the concept of self-join and how to use it. Please feel free to ask any question you may have in the comments section below. And if you are looking for a way to practice what we have just learned, in ramkedem.com you will find hundreds of exercises on many different levels. More details can be found in the video description. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.